Well, happy Weigh In Sunday, everyone. It's Debbie OMAD, and today is Weigh In Sunday. I am in my car because, once again, I am doing Postmates and I am waiting for an order. So I thought I'd do this real fast. I was going to go live, but last time I tried to go live while doing this, I got interrupted. So I'm not going to go live today. It's been a busy week. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Debbie. I've been on a weight loss and get healthy journey for a year and 4 months or so. If you want to follow my journey from the beginning, I've got a ton of videos out there. So subscribe down below here and please hit that like button because it matters so much to the algorithms and it matters to me. So please hit the like button and please subscribe. And you can follow along with our journeys. I also have a Facebook group called Debbie OMAD. We will do this together. And we have a group of people on there, a whole bunch of folks that are also on the path of getting healthy. Some of us are doing OMAD, some are doing alternate day fasting. And for those of you that don't know what OMAD is, it's one meal a day. One meal a day. Yeah, that's what I've been doing for like a year and a half. I have thrown in some longer fasts, some 36 hours, some 48, 42, I think. I did do one, I almost made it to 70 something, 73, I think. Anyways, so I mean, it's all up to you. We're currently in the middle of a challenge on our Facebook group. People set goals and they wanted to lose X amount by July 15th. My goal was to get down to 130 by July 15th. Now, let me back up a minute. I started this journey at 210 pounds. Mind you, I'm 5'2". So that was a lot of extra weight. The doctor scared me and told me that my blood pressure was in the stroke zone and that if I didn't get my act together, that I wouldn't be here much longer. So I got my act together. And that sounds so much easier than it was. It wasn't easy, you guys. I was a junk food junkie all my life. I had literally done every yo-yo diet you can imagine and then some. Even made up my own. But yeah, yo-yo dieting and I were very good friends, or enemies I should say. OMAD is the only thing that has worked for me consistently and long term. And I say long term because it's been almost a year and a half. Like I said, I started at 210. So what is my weigh-in today? Because I know you guys hate waiting for that. So my weigh-in today is 139. Yay! Okay, so I still have 9 pounds to lose to meet my goal by the 15th. I don't think I'm going to make it, you guys. That's a lot in the next, week and a half. But I'm in the 130s, and you know what? That is phenomenal. I haven't been in the 130s since I was in my 20s, all right? So, and I'm going to be 58 on July 11th. Yeah, my birthday is right around the corner here, July 11th. 58. Oh my God, so close to 60. Where does the time go? And this year has just been mind-boggling. I mean, literally mind-boggling. You can't even begin to talk about it because once you start, you'll never stop. It's just been so insane. I saw a thing and I posted it on my personal Facebook. I shared it from somebody else, and it was a meme that said alligators or alligators are eating meth that's thrown into the toilets when people get busted and stuff. So we've got meth head alligators, and it said basically a bingo card. Who had meth gators for July? Because who knows what's next, right? It was funny, and I'm kind of in a position where I'm looking at it like it's either laugh or cry time, and I've decided to laugh. It's just so preposterous and so outrageous, and every time I turn on the news, it's something else. So I have literally decided to just laugh and find the humor in everything because that's the only way to get through this. If I don't do that, I'm going to start eating, and I don't want to do that. So I am down to 139 this week, and I'm very, very excited about that. I did do 2 36-hour fasts this week, which helped a lot to get my system back because like everybody else, I have fallen off the wagon. I have splurged. I have gone off OMAD. I have overindulged. I have emotionally ate. Because those things that we've fought all our lives. They don't go away, you guys. You have to fight them, and you have to fight them daily, daily. Some days it's easier than others. Like on the weekends now, Saturdays and Sundays, I'm doing Postmates, which is like an Uber Eats or a Grubhub, where people call in orders to restaurants. You go pick it up and drop it off. It's easy work. It's not a lot of money, but it's a little bit of money, and it'll help. My hours were cut at work. I think we talked about that. So I'm trying to do what I can do to supplement. And so that's what I'm doing. That's why I'm in my car right now, because I'm waiting for an order. So yeah, I mean, we have to do what we have to do. I'm also studying during the week at night. Instead of doing Postmates during the week, I only do it on the weekends now. And then during the week in the evenings, I study. I'm trying to become a Java developer, a JavaScript developer. So that's going, guys. It's going. It's a slow go because it's a complex program, and for anybody that knows programming, which I used to years and years ago. But I let it go for like 20 years, 25, maybe even 30 years. And it's changed so much. So it's a lot. And my brain isn't as fast as it used to be. So it's a lot to learn. But I'm getting there. I am getting there. I have, for those of you that know anything about this, I have HTML and CSS down pat. And those things I can do. And I'm working my way through JavaScript right now. So that's what I'm doing. So all of you that were in the challenge, how are you doing? And even if you weren't in our challenge, and if you haven't joined Facebook yet, which I don't know why you wouldn't, because it's amazing people, and they're there for accountability and support, and they're amazing people. So join Facebook. It's Debbie OMAD. We will do this together. But besides that, post below. How are you doing? What journey are you on? What's your goal, and how close are you to it? Have you fallen off in the midst of all this craziness? Do you need some help? Do you need some motivation? Join us, because I'm telling you what, there is no better group for motivating than mine, because it's filled with amazing people. I want to do a call out to Debbie, who is also in our challenge and who is trying to make strides. She went camping and indulged, and now she's back on the wagon. And I get that. Every now and then we have to live our lives, right? We have to do the things that we used to do, that we enjoy doing, but then we just got to wake up the next day and get back on it. And you guys, I can't get through a video without saying, have a strong why. You've got to have a why. What is a why? A why is, what deep reason do you have for trying to get healthy? If it's strictly just appearance, surface, it's not a strong enough why to get you through. A bunch of us on the OMAD We Will Do This Together Facebook group have a why of staying alive. And for me, that was mine. It's literally staying alive. And being able to take care of myself and not be a burden on my children. So not just staying alive, but getting healthy, right? So that I can take care of myself. We're not getting any younger, right? Like I said, I'm going to be 58. And that's a scary number to me for some reason, but it is. So have a why, have a very strong why. It can't be because somebody else wants you to do it. It can't be because you just, wanted to try fasting. I mean, fasting is great for you, and it does amazing things for your body besides losing weight. It resets your metabolism. It gets things going. It's like the fountain of youth, you guys. If you fast long enough, like over 24 hours, you get into something that's called autophagy. And autophagy is literally bad cells being eaten alive by good cells. Literally, your good cells attack the bad cells and repurpose them to generate more good cells. So definitely the fountain of youth, that you can't buy in a bottle. You just can't. And so, like I said, fasting does such amazing things, and for your immune system. And in this day and age, Lord knows we need help with our immune system. So definitely give it a shot if you haven't yet. For those that are doing it, come on, let's get some updates. I want to see some comments on this video. I want to see some updates. So let's get busy down there. Tell me what's going on. And please subscribe and please like, because I need the numbers, you guys. I need the numbers. Like I said, my birthday's coming up. We're not really planning to do anything because money's super, super tight. I mean, oh my God, ridiculously tight. I I have been through peaks and valleys in my life where we were doing super great financially, and then where we weren't doing so good and we had to struggle. But this is just craziness. I don't remember having to struggle like this for a long time. So it's kind of hard on me, but I don't know too many people who aren't in the same boat. I mean, we're all struggling, right? So I'm going to continue doing Postmates on weekends and studying in the evenings and trying to better myself during this crazy, crazy time. What are you doing during this time to help you come out of this ahead of the game? Are you guys learning something new? Are you trying a different field? What are you doing? Drop the comments below. Let us know. Give us some inspiration, maybe some ideas that we didn't have. For those of you that are wondering, Postmates, Uber Eats, Grubhub, DoorDash, all those are really, really easy to get started in. Really, all you need is a decent vehicle and a driver's license, and car insurance, of course. But that's really all you need, and it's easy work. It doesn't pay huge. It really doesn't. But, hey, some money is better than no money. So that's my little pitch there. And if you're gonna try to do Postmates, hit me up, because I can send you a link, and then you will get extra money and I will get money too, because you joined through my link. So it's a win-win. So don't just join just out of the blue. Let me know. I'll send you my link. And then we can both benefit. Okay, so that's my pitch for that, because that's what I'm doing these days. But again, I'm down to 139. I'm very excited about that. I have every intention of staying on track this week. It's going to be easy because we can't afford a lot of groceries this week. So it's going to be really easy to not eat. God. This too shall pass. This too shall pass. And I keep telling myself that every day. So tell yourself, this too shall pass. And it will. Things will get back to normal eventually. They have to. Right? They have to. And even if they don't get back to the normal, what we know, it'll become a new normal, and we'll adjust, because that's what we do as human beings. The only constant in life is change. So here we are. All right, guys. I'm going to keep this short and sweet so I can get on with my Postmating. And I love you guys, all of you. Please like, subscribe. Please comment below. I want to see some comments. I haven't seen a lot of comments lately. So let's see some comments. Let me know how you're doing, what your struggles are, what your wins are, what your why is, what you're doing to try and better yourself during this time. If you're needing some motivation, remember our Facebook group, Debbie OMAD. We will do this together. And please, please, please join there if you need any type of support, because we're there. We're there. The best cheerleaders in the world are on that page. All right, guys, love you so much. We are in this together. We will do this together.